If your name and home address are sitting on public records, you're one Google search away from unwanted attention and one mishap away from putting everything you own at risk. The fastest fix? A properly structured LLC with a privacy-first registered agent backing it. Here's the simple truth. A Montana LLC creates a clean legal shield between you and what you own, so assets can be held by the company, not your personal name. That separation means one problem doesn't have to affect all areas of your life. When it's formed the right way, it keeps your personal info off a public filing where the law allows, shields your home address, and creates a legal wrapper so one problem doesn't sink your entire life. If you have nice things or plan to invoice the future, this is something you should consider starting ASAP. Now, why do you need a registered agent and what do they actually do? A registered agent, like us, is your company's official contact in the state. We provide the in-state street address required by law, receive all legal and state notices, scan and forward your mail, and keep you compliant by handling annual reports and state communications on time. In plain English, we keep you reachable to the state and invisible to everyone else. Here's where most people get burned. Lots of providers dump your personal details straight into the public record. We don't. We form your LLC with a privacy-first process, using our registered office and compliant filings that avoid listing owners on the articles of organization when the state doesn't require it, like Montana and Wyoming. Your name doesn't need to be the first thing strangers see when they search your company. Want more protection? We can even help you build multi-layered structures, like a trust that owns your LLC for maximum privacy, a holding LLC that owns your operating LLC so the risk stays in the operating entity while assets stay insulated. Even one LLC owning another for a clean separation across brands, properties, and revenue streams. So what can you protect under an LLC or trust? A lot. Vehicles, boats and equipment, real estate and rentals, websites, brands and intellectual property, e-commerce store and payment accounts, investment and business bank accounts opened in the entity's name, contracts receivable, the things you're building. If it matters to you, it deserves a shield. And this is where we come in. We're zero tax tags. We form LLCs and trusts with privacy-first filings. And we serve as your registered agent, so compliance is on autopilot. If you already have an LLC, our team will file the change of agent for you and move everything over. White glove and 100% hands-off on your side. We've also teamed up with Corporate Portal to power your entities with the industry's most secure, cutting-edge tech, centralized dashboards, fast document scans, and seamless maintenance for an LLC and trust across numerous states. Montana and Wyoming are the most popular, but if you're considering another state, ask us. We'll lay out the trade-offs so you choose the right home base. If you're still on the fence, consider the cost of waiting. If your info stays public, one incident can pierce your personal life, and the day you wish you had a structure is usually the day it's too late. Privacy and protection only work if you set them up before you need them. Ready to lock this down? It takes about 2 minutes to get started. Click the link in the description, pick your state, share a few details, and we'll do the rest. Formation, registered agent, mail handling, compliance, even layered structures with trust if you want maximum privacy. This is your life, your assets, your name. Protect them now, not later. Start today. 2 minutes and you're covered. General info only, not legal or tax advice. If you have state-specific questions, we'll point you to the right pro.